Welcome back to Ctube's channel. Today let's talk about differences between flexible and rigid conduit fittings. Firstly, the conduit itself. Rigid PVC is smooth and solid. Flexible conduit is corrugated, bendable, and ideal for curb paths. Rigid conduit system relied on various accessories to route the conduit, elbows, coupling, T-joints, expansion fittings, and more. Flexible conduits are easy to bend by hand. Another difference, rigid conduit fittings require soft cement. Flexible conduit fittings are generally plug and twist or snap fit. For example, rigid conduit couplings are smooth, cylindrical, and lip socket. In contrast, flexible couplings are segmented, ribbed, and feature locking tabs for tool-free installation. Box adapters share a similar design logic with components. To facilitate installation for engineers, some wall boxes have been further upgraded to eliminate the need for knockouts and adapters. Simply choose the box according to the conduit types. Ctube offers a range of durable and easy-to-install PVC conduit and accessories to have electrical installation simpler and more reliable. If you are interested in our products, feel free to contact us.